Spiders are often perceived as creepy, dangerous, and frightening creatures. People fear them because of their venomous bites, and finding webs in homes can cause panic. This reputation is not entirely unfounded, especially when encountering larger species or those with potent venom. However, this is only one side of the story. In reality, spiders are remarkable, highly specialized creatures that play crucial ecological roles. In this video, you'll learn how spiders live, why they sometimes bite, how they differ from insects, and what benefits they bring to the planet. Give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and let's dive in. Here's something that will blow your mind. Spiders have been perfecting their hunting techniques for over 380 million years. They were already masters of their craft when dinosaurs first appeared. Spiders belong to a large group of arachnids, comprising around 50,000 described species. The most well-known are the orb weavers, with their complex circular webs, and the jumping spiders, with their excellent vision. These are the species that most frequently interact with humans, which is why they're often seen as unsettling or even dangerous, especially in dark corners of homes. A spider's body is divided into two main parts, the cephalothorax and the abdomen, connected by a narrow waist called the pedicel. On the cephalothorax, they have multiple eyes, usually 8, chelicerae with fangs, and pedipalps. The eyes help them detect movement and light, while the pedipalps assist in feeding and, in males, reproduction. All spiders possess fangs capable of injecting venom. Most species have colors that help them blend into their surroundings. This natural camouflage helps spiders survive by avoiding detection from both predators and prey. Spiders build their webs from silk produced by specialized glands called spinnerets. To do this, they secrete liquid protein that hardens upon contact with air, creating incredibly strong and flexible strands. This silk is used to construct various types of webs, from the classic orb webs to funnel webs and sheet webs. Once completed, these structures become highly effective traps for flying insects. The silk's strength-to-weight ratio surpasses that of steel, making it one of nature's most remarkable materials. This allows spiders to build complex, three-dimensional traps that can capture prey many times their own size. 99.96% of the 50,000 known spider species are solitary spiders, which means they do not form colonies. This group includes some of the spider family's largest members, like tarantulas and huntsman spiders, which can reach leg spans of over 10 inches. Whereas web-building spiders rely on their webs to catch prey, hunting spiders like wolf spiders and jumping spiders actively pursue their victims. These hunters use their excellent vision and speed to track down their prey. I am going to tell you a terrifying, yet an interesting fact. A single spider can consume up to 2,000 insects per year. Now, multiply that by the trillions of spiders living around us. They're literally eating armies of pests that would otherwise make our lives miserable. All spiders are carnivorous, feeding exclusively on other animals. They hunt insects, other spiders, and sometimes small vertebrates like lizards or birds. After catching their prey, spiders inject digestive enzymes that liquefy the victim's internal tissues. They then suck out this nutritious liquid, leaving behind only the empty exoskeleton. Some species, like the black widow, are known for their potent venom that can quickly immobilize much larger prey. Different spider species employ various hunting strategies. Web builders create silken traps and wait for prey to become entangled. Wolf spiders chase down their victims across the ground. Jumping spiders use their exceptional eyesight to stalk prey before pouncing. Trapdoor spiders hide in burrows and ambush passing insects. In all cases, the spider's venom serves to subdue the prey, while digestive enzymes break down the meal. The lifespan of a spider varies dramatically by species. from a few months to several years. Tarantulas can live for decades, while many smaller species complete their entire life cycle in a single year. During this time, their primary role is to hunt, reproduce, and, in the case of females, protect their egg sacs and young spiderlings. Spiders use their venom for two primary purposes: hunting and defense. By paralyzing their prey with venom, they can easily consume it without struggle. However, defense is the main reason spiders bite humans. If you accidentally touch a spider or corner it, it may perceive you as a threat and bite, even if you had no intention of harming it. Spider venom varies greatly in potency and composition. Most species possess venom that is harmless to humans, causing at most minor irritations similar to a mosquito bite. However, some species, like the black widow, brown recluse, and various Australian funnel web spiders, possess venom that can cause serious medical complications in humans. Unlike many other venomous creatures, spiders can control the amount of venom they inject, often giving dry bites, with little to no venom when biting defensively. This venom conservation makes sense, as producing venom requires significant energy and resources. This is the most mind-blowing statistic you'll hear today. Spiders altogether consume between 400 to 800 million tons of insects every single year. That's more than the combined weight of all humans on Earth. Despite the fear and dislike they often provoke, spiders are extremely beneficial to ecosystems and even to agriculture. They play a vital role in controlling the populations of flying insects. Nearly every species of pest insect has a natural enemy among the spiders. Spiders consume enormous quantities of flies, mosquitoes, moths, and other small creatures that might otherwise become agricultural pests or disease vectors. Scientists estimate that spiders consume 400 to 800 million tons of insects annually worldwide. Modern agriculture recognizes certain spider species as valuable allies in biological pest management, reducing the need for chemical pesticides. In addition, spiders perform another important function. They help maintain the delicate balance of food webs. As both predators and prey, spiders occupy crucial positions in ecosystem hierarchies. They control insect populations while serving as food for birds, lizards, and other animals. Some spiders even contribute to seed dispersal when small seeds stick to their bodies as they move through vegetation. Spiders are not just eight-legged creatures to be feared. They are incredibly important arachnids that help maintain balance in nature, control pest populations, and serve as indicators of ecosystem health. They are a vital part of the system that keeps the natural world running smoothly. And while it can sometimes be difficult for us to coexist with them, a little knowledge and respect can go a long way in changing our perspective.